Hi, my name is Mike Davis. I am the owner of Davis Roofing Group. This is my wife, Cintra Davis, and we are the proud owners of Davis Roofing Group. Here at Davis Roofing Group, we install all types of roof. We install asphalt shingles, tile roofs, cool roof coatings, flat roofs, all types of roofs. We install gutters, we do roof repairs, all types of roof maintenance. Anything that has to do with the roof, we do it. Here at Davis Roofing Group, we offer the best warranties on the market. We don't do change orders. We don't believe in change orders. We don't believe in surprises for our clients. So therefore, when we bid a job, the price you see is the price you get. We're not going to come back after you for any more money of any kind. The only thing that changes your contract price is any changes that you decide to make. So we take a lot of pride in doing that. I myself have 25 years of roofing experience. I'm a second generation roofer. My dad was a roofer, my brother was a roofer. I'm very fortunate that the guy that showed me how to roof works for us directly today. We also have another gentleman that's one of our foremen that me and the guy that showed me how to roof have actually trained. So he has gotten the best of both worlds. He's been trained by the guy who trained me as well as myself. So we take a lot of pride in being one of the best. We only attack the work that we can handle. We typically work a 4-man workforce per job, therefore we can get stuff done in a timely manner. Once we start a job, we finish the job. We take a lot of pride in we do our own gutters. We tend to not sub out a whole bunch of work. Therefore, we do everything in-house that we could possibly do in-house. Here at Davis Roofing Group, we take a lot of pride in being honest and completely honest. If your roof isn't due, we'll give you a time frame of what we think that your life expectancy of the roof will be. We would love for you to give us a call. We offer free estimates, any type of re-roof estimates, repair estimates, leak repair estimates. Give us a call and I'd love to come out and discuss your roofing needs with you. You'd be more than happy.